What is DC's most infamous insect this summer? If you said cicadas, you'd be wrong. We live in a swamp, it's still mosquitoes. Today we're talking about 5 natural ways to mosquito-proof your yard. The best way to keep mosquitoes at bay is to eliminate their breeding grounds. You want to check your property for standing water. Pay close attention to kiddie pools, clogged gutters, tarps, and potted plants. This tip may not be for everyone, but it's very effective. If you have high trees, you can actually hang a bat house. This will bring mosquitoes' natural predator into your yard, and bats eat thousands of mosquitoes every night. I'm pretty sure.
That's a Paul Besto Pretty Sure Science guess.
Citronella candles can be very effective at keeping mosquitoes away, but make sure you're buying the real deal. Stores love to bamboozle you and just sell you the scented ones. Blow them away like there's not going to be a second date. Blow them away with a ceiling fan. Mosquitoes are very weak flyers, so if there's a slight breeze, they'll actually avoid your outdoor living space. Certain plants and herbs, I could not be bothered to memorize this list, have mosquito repellent properties. If you want to get crazy with it and go one step further, you can actually bundle all these plants and chuck them in a fire. Just make sure you actually have a fire pit. What are mine and a mosquito's favorite drink? A Bloody Mary. Just kidding, we love champagne. This has been Getting Housed with Paul. Cheers.